Good evening, sir. Welcome to our customer care service. How may I help you?
So I had ordered a television set from your company 6 days ago, and it has been delivered today in a damaged condition.
Okay, sir. We understand your issues. We'll transfer you to the appropriate department. Please wait a few moments.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to XCorp Customer Care. How may we help you?
So I had ordered a Sony television set from your company 6 days ago, and it has been delivered in a damaged condition.
And sir, what are you seeking?
I am seeking a full refund on this.
Sorry to say this, sir, but you've contacted the tech support department. I'll forward you to the appropriate channels. Forwarding you now, sir.
Good evening, sir. How may I help you?
So 6 days ago, I had ordered a Sony television set from your company, and it has been delivered in a damaged condition today.
Okay, sir. So, what do you seek for the trouble that you're facing?
I want a replacement or a full refund on this.
Sorry, sir. We only deal with replacement or refunds if it is damaged before delivery and not while delivering, since it does not come under our department and it comes under the logistics and transportation department. Sorry to inform you.
I have just been to I've been to 3 or 4 departments now, and I'm so frustrated because nobody can solve my problem. I wish there was a better way to do this.
Okay, you can see, right, what happened back there, how annoying it is to deal with customer care at times. So we are Team Soothsayers, and we are here to solve the problem of these customer service to create a hassle-free platform. So I am team lead Purna Chandra, and we are all from RV College of Engineering, and we are here there to solve the problem. We are going to solve the problem by utilizing sentiment analysis on incoming calls on the help desk.
I am Mukund, and I will be explaining the idea and approach in to solve this problem. So we have split our solution into 3 main problems. Before explaining our solution, I would like to explain what is the what have we used here. So we have used natural language processing machine learning. A customer calls the company. First, he or she given 30 seconds or 1 minute to explain his or her issue. After voice to text API converts this into a call transcript, and also this voice recording is converted into a voice file, and the transcript is sent for text analysis, while the voice file is sent for tone analysis. From the tone analysis, an integer is produced which represents the emotion of the speaker, and so through text analysis, we split, tokenize, and tag so that we can find keywords which represents the customer's problem to the transcript. For example, wrong delivery, wrong product, damaged product could be one of the keywords of which would represent the customer problem. After to analyze text, to analyze emotions from the text, we have imported this model from the transformers library, which we are implementing a machine learning model through KNN to do tone analysis. Once we have the emotions from both the tone analysis model and the text analysis model, we combine these two values together to generate a compounded value which represents the emotion of the speaker. Then we use the problem, the keyword, and this emotion and this number representing the emotion to generate a priority list, and we allot correct departments within the company's customer service to the correct customers. In this way, the customer doesn't have to deal with being circulated around many departments within the customer service. Also, it helps medium scale enterprises and large scale enterprises who depend on recurring revenue, because the customers would only come back and continue paying for the product if they have a hassle-free experience with the customer care. We've also used sklearn, TensorFlow and Librosa for machine learning models, and NLTK and transformers for text analysis models, and some miscellaneous libraries which we have used are Pandas, NumPy, SciPy, C1, and Matplotlib.
Right. So I'll just carry forward on what Mukund has just said. So I'll give you an overview on how does the flow of a conversation go with the customer. The customer calls helpdesk and puts forth his or her query in the given 20 to 40 seconds period. And this customer query is recorded and fed into our program. The program analyzes the problem and assigns the priority and assigns the customer to a particular department. And according to the priority, the human resource is allocated. So basically, if a person is more panicked or in a more tense state, it would be better to allocate a more experienced personnel to deal with the problem instead of a newbie. And whereas if a person is very calm or is not really hesitant about the problem, we can assign a new person who can handle the situation in a much easier format. And just to add more ideas, clarify more, I will be giving the data on the top how the data will be flowing. We'll collect the data, and then this data is first processed by removing the noise and then pre-processing it for the machine learning model. And we are using pitch, amplitude, and duration and the tone, which is then detected, and then we can provide useful outputs. We can get a numerical representation of our information inputted, and based on this inputs, we can finally give an integer value, which can give us help us to order these customers into the priority list. Few of the dependencies and advantages of our ideas are that we will be automating customer care for medium and large scale enterprises. And by having defined allocation of human resources, we can categorize problems. By categorizing the problems of the customer by severity, we can stop the clogging up of the customer lines due to inexperienced personnel or unappropriate allocation. Few of our dependencies are that we are using the Librosa library with the CNN machine language. The transfer library will be generating a score from -1 to 1 to represent the tone, and we will be providing a limited amount of time for the consumer to show us whatever is their query for us to process it easier.
So this kind of setup empowers not only regular customers but also empowers the senior citizen customers, and also people who are less literate, as they do not have to go through the hassle of explaining their problem. Rather, our solution does it for them. So our aim is to create a hassle-free experience for both the customer and the company. So I would just like to tell you about our team. So our team leader is Golden Chandra. The other team members are Bulla Sai Naga Yashwant, Santosh Kumar L, Varsha S, Mukund Vijayvarya, and Radhi Shetty. Thank you.